Hi and welcome. This is step 2 of secret number 1, that is technicality. In this part, we will cover how to build ATS friendly and world class resume, how to prepare impactful cover letter, and human reader. So let's start, and in this lesson, we will understand how to build ATS friendly and world class resume. And before that, we need to have a look on these 2 points. Number 1, you should present yourself as a right fit for the role and right fit for the culture. Now, before building the resume, we need to have our resume strategy and our resume drafting strategy. Let's start with point number 1, resume strategy. So your resume strategy should keep these following points. Number 1, ATS. Your resume should be ATS compatible. That means you should have the important keywords from JD in your resume. You should use a ATS compatible and ATS friendly template. You should not use your photograph, any graphics or any table, or you should not use any kind of double column resume because these are not compatible to the ATS, as ATS is made for reading words. Next is use action-oriented words and no spelling mistakes. Mention all the keywords highlighted in JD, present in bullet point and in crisp way. Mention the summary instead of your objective. As they are not interested in your objective, they have their own objective. They are interested that what skills you have, what values you can create. Next is experience should be in sequence. Mention project, volunteering and internship detail instead of mentioning that you are a fresher. That is very important point. So I am repeating, mention your project details or volunteering details or internship detail instead of mentioning that you are a fresher. Highlight the skills and experience matching to the job which you are applying for. Focus on your achievements and value additions. Bridge your skills and company need. Bridge your skills and company need. Please take a note on this point. And next is always prepare a fresh resume for each and every new job and mention all skills which is required for that particular jobs. As you have hundreds of skills, but they are looking for 5 important skills. So please highlight those 5 skills, not highlight rest of 95 skills. And now point number 2 is resume drafting. For resume drafting, I have a 7 steps framework for resume drafting. So these 7 steps are: number 1, header; number 2, your summary; number 3, your skills; number 4, your experience or internship details; number 5, your education; number 6, your certification; and number 7 is additional information if you have any additional information that is relevant to the job. I would like to share 5 points before drafting your resume. Point number 1, no need to mention your personal information and hobbies, because who cares you are a dog lover or a cat. Number 2, do not make it more than 2 pages and not more than 1 page if you are fresher or entry level executive. Please keep this point in your mind. And point number 3, do not use buzzwords or email ID like rocky001@gmail.com and keep it very simple. Point number 4, always send a fresh resume every time and send it in PDF form. Always send it in PDF form. In the next session, we will have a look on the resume template. See you there. Thank you.